Hi everyone. Here welcome to my vlog and I just want to share to you guys na aside from work from home and VA job, I'm doing affiliating din po as a sideline and promotion of drama. So, if you're willing po na if meron po sa inyo gusto ng part-time or suggest ko po sa inyo being more productive sa bahay and kumikita pa. Also, pahapyaw lang po. As an ESL, I'm trying to work out to be a part of the ESL community, ESL teachers community again. And ESL teachers are English as a second language teachers. So, yon nag-teach ng English sa mga foreigners na Asian countries like Chinese, Japanese, Koreans, and also European. And then, nakapasok na po ako before in 5-1 Talk. I can recommend din po sa inyo guys. Napakaganda po for newbies ang 5-1 Talk. And, yun po sa mga makakakita po ng aking video, mga gustong mag-try, mag-work from home. Hindi lang naman po virtual assistant ang pwede maging work from home guys. Share ko lang po, if you're really experienced as an ESL teacher, you can have 80,000 or more salary po in a month's time. You can also do private tutoring kapag you excel na rin po. Lalo naman po sa mga LPT, let passer natin dyan. And mga edu graduate, maganda po siyang income while for mga newbies na graduate, kasi graduate po sa 512 ang pinukuha. Pero I can recommend din po sa inyo, so college level lang po guys. Pwede na po siya for beginners. So, ang rate po natin is naglalaro po from sa college level na ACADSOC is 80 to 100 starting. And then, 80 to 100 per hour. And then, for 5-1 talk, we have 50 per 25 minutes session ng class. So, one-on-one lang po yun. I think wala pong group class sa 5-1 talk. More on one-on-one. Adults, pero more on kids po ng Chinese. If global teacher po kayo, foreigners from around the globe ang magiging clients nyo. If want nyo naman po adults, I can recommend din po ang BizMeet. Although, kapag nakapasok po kayo, magsi-COR po kayo. Certificate of Registration sa BIR for tax payment. Kasi Japanese company po is very specific na mag-comply sa ating government sa mga ganyang mga patakaran. So, pahapyaw lang po yun guys. Another vlog I can recommend, lots pa rin po. And my journey. I hope may ma-inspire and I can also, if phone lang kayo guys ang gamit nyo, alam nyo, kumita din po ako, phone lang ang gamit ko kasi may mga nag-hire din naman po ng ganun. Anyways, thank you guys.